Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to mark a Confluence page as a draft, and maybe even more importantly, how to manage your drafts so you never lose your work or accidentally publish something before you're ready. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to keep your pages safe as drafts, where to find them when you need them, and you'll feel completely in control of your Confluence editing process. Let's jump right in. Imagine you've started working on a new documentation page, maybe a project summary for your team or important onboarding instructions for a new hire. Naturally, you're not always able to finish your work in one sitting. Maybe you get called into a meeting or you realize you need to chase down some missing details. You want to make sure your progress is saved, but the page isn't yet published for everyone to see. This is where Confluence's draft handling really shines. Here, what you need to know: as soon as you start typing on a new Confluence page, or if you edit an existing one, Confluence automatically saves your progress as a draft. There's no special button that says, Save as Draft. Confluence has your back, quietly working in the background. It's kind of like when your phone backs up your photos automatically. You don't have to think about it, but you get peace of mind knowing your work isn't going to vanish. So let's walk through this. You've started creating or editing your page. If you need to step away before you're finished, for whatever reason, you can simply exit the editor. Maybe you close your browser tab or just navigate away from the page. Don't worry. As long as you haven't clicked publish, your page will not go live for the rest of your team or anyone else to see. All your changes are still there, quietly waiting for you in draft form. This part might feel a little unnerving if you're used to tools that require you to manually save, but with Confluence, drafts are created automatically every time you make changes. Take a breath and trust the system. Now, when you're ready to come back and finish your draft or just want to review your saved progress, finding your drafts is simple. From any Confluence screen, just head up to the home area using the top navigation bar. Once you're there, look over at the sidebar. You'll see a tab labeled Drafts. Go ahead and click that. Here, where Confluence keeps all your works in progress neatly organized, so you're never hunting around for something half-finished. It's like having your own private workshop, where you can tinker and polish before showing anything off. From the Drafts section, you can see all pages you've started but not published yet. You can open any draft, make further changes or additions, and again, if you need to pause and come back later, just exit and Confluence will continue saving your most recent version. Only when you're truly ready to share your work with your team do you click Publish. Until then, everything remains private and safe, and that's really all there is to it. Marking a Confluence page as a draft isn't something you need to worry about manually. Just by starting to write or edit and then exiting before publishing, you've created a draft. Your work is automatically saved, easy to find, and protected until you're ready to go public. I hope this explanation takes the mystery out of Confluence drafts and gives you the confidence to start new pages without worry. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, and if you still have questions, drop them down in the comments. I check every one and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tips to make your work easier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.